Buttons might be one of the most underrated things in fashion because people usually see them as tiny little details, but today you are about to see how buttons can completely transform an outfit into something creative, stylish, and honestly way more interesting. I was scrolling Pinterest and finding some seriously clever ways people are using buttons to upgrade clothing, add personality, and create fashion pieces that look completely custom. Some of these ideas are elegant, some are bold, and a few of them made me stop and think, okay, wait, that is actually genius. Today we are diving into button fashion ideas and upcycled button designs that prove you do not need expensive supplies to make clothing look unique and high-end. I linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can scroll through the ideas and patterns yourself. And I want you to vote on your favorite idea because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning design in my own style. Whether you love sewing, DIY fashion, thrift flips, or creative clothing transformations, these ideas might completely change the way you look at a jar of buttons forever. So let's jump into these button fashion ideas and see which one deserves a glow up today. In fashion, people often talk about big changes like silhouettes, trends, or entire outfits, but the truth is, the smallest details are usually doing the most important work. A simple button, something most people never think twice about, can completely change how a piece of clothing feels. It can take a basic shirt and turn it into something playful, elegant, vintage-inspired, or completely modern depending on what you choose and how you place it. That is the part of fashion that gets really exciting when you start upcycling, because you realize you are not limited to what the clothing already is. You get to decide what it becomes. A plain piece suddenly turns into a creative project, and those little details start to matter in a way they never did before. When you replace or rearrange buttons, you are not just fixing clothing, you are redesigning it. You are adding personality, intention, and creativity into something that already exists. And what is interesting is that once you start paying attention to those tiny choices, your eye for design naturally begins to grow. You start noticing texture, spacing, contrast, and balance in ways you probably never did before. Even something as small as choosing between a bold, decorative button or a simple neutral one can completely shift the mood of a piece. That is where creativity really starts to feel personal, because there is no single correct answer. It is just you, your imagination, and whatever story you want that piece to tell. And over time, those small creative decisions build confidence, because you begin to trust your own taste instead of waiting for fashion to tell you what is right or wrong. Once you start experimenting with button upcycling, it becomes more than just a sewing project. It becomes a way of thinking differently about clothing in general. Old garments stop feeling disposable and start feeling like opportunities. A shirt with missing or outdated buttons is no longer something to fix quickly and forget. It becomes a chance to create something unique. You might mix vintage buttons with modern ones, create patterns instead of straight lines, or use buttons as decorative accents instead of just functional closures. Every choice becomes part of a bigger creative process where you are learning as you go. And the more you do it, the more you realize that fashion is not only about buying new things, it is about reimagining what already exists. That shift is powerful because it puts creativity back in your hands. It also makes fashion feel more meaningful, because you can look at a finished piece and know that it carries your decisions, your style, and your imagination in every detail. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe for more sewing and upcycling inspiration so you do not miss future videos. There is a playlist linked in the description with more creative sewing ideas and previous projects you can explore, and you will also find helpful tools and supplies linked below to make your upcycling projects easier. And when this video ends, check out the next one, because there are even more creative transformations waiting for you there, and I will see you in that next video.